Hey there, John Quirk, founder of SoCal Wellness Retreats. And while we are very passionate about beautiful locations and delicious food and bringing people together from all over the world, really what it boils down to for us is how do we strike the right balance of creating a program that's immersive and that is educational and that is really involved, where you're a part of this living, breathing thing that is a wellness retreat, but also getting an opportunity to not be in that traditional kind of maybe day-to-day that you have of having something constantly going on and living by your calendar or scrolling through your newsfeed. And so how do we integrate learning and these practices that we teach into a space where you also get time to relax and have downtime, maybe even take a nap if you haven't done that in a long time, or just have a conversation with another retreat guest where there's no pressure or agenda. You're just two human beings getting to be human with each other. And so, it's taken us some time to kind of strike the right balance, but we're really proud of, the program that we've put together. I'm a huge proponent of a morning routine. I get up every day, I do breath work, meditation, I have a cold bath at home. So everything that you're gonna experience on the retreat is just things that have honestly changed my entire life. And it's something that foundationally at the root, for me, of being a mindful individual and a person who's balanced and who really can show up to the world very relaxed and calm, but focused and aware. These are the things that built that for me. So you'll get exposure to that every single morning. We also bookend the day with meditation and a little bit of breath work in the evening. So you're really getting an opportunity, whether it's a 4-day, 6-day, 7-day retreat, to practice these practices a lot. On top of that, we also want to give you some of the science. We want you to understand what it is that you're doing and why you're doing it. So what's happening in your brain, what's happening in your nervous system. So a lot of the workshops will give you a deeper understanding and start to build a bigger model for you of what it is that you're doing, and you'll believe in it more, you'll want to do it more. No matter how skeptical people are about these things, when we start to tell them about what physiologically is happening, you see the light bulbs start to go on, and then from there, we really are huge proponents of doing group work, of getting people into a group setting so people can ask questions. They can really tell a little bit about who they are and some of the struggles and challenges. And a lot of those end up overlapping, and people really become a support system for each other. And so we build this really safe container and this safe space where you can show up with whatever it is that you got going on in your life. And it's interesting how a lot of times people, have similar backgrounds and experiences, and that they're able to really support and help each other. So as an aside from that, we also teach about plant-based eating and why it's so powerful and can also be very yummy and delicious. It doesn't have to be boring eating your vegetables. And when we get done with all that, it ends up being a pretty incredible and immersive experience. So if you have any questions or you'd like to understand a little bit more about these practices or what it is that we do, we'd love to hear from you. You're welcome to call or email us or set up a time to chat with a member of our team. So hopefully that helps if you're thinking about coming on retreat, and hopefully we'll get to see you on a retreat real soon.